Turn the microphone towards your voice, please. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You can move the chair up closer if you need to. It's a very big chair. There you go. All right. So two things. When you speak into the microphone so that we can all hear you, okay? And then every time I ask you a question, I'm going to need you to answer verbally. No uh-hs, no shaking of the head, okay?
Okay. Good. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Could you introduce yourself to the jury, please?
I'm Charlotte Guidry. Charlotte Guidry.
There you go. Perfect. Loud enough. Are you the mother of Joseph Williams?
Yes, I'm Joseph Williams' mother.
Okay. Are you the mother of Kiera Guidry?
Yes, I'm her mother.
Okay. Do you know Christopher Keller?
Yes.
Is he in the courtroom today?
Yes.
Could you point to him and identify him by an article of clothing? What is he wearing?
What?
Okay. May the record reflect you identified the defendant.
Yes, it will.
Christopher Keller.
He dated my daughter.
How long did the date, do you think?
A good while. It was like 2 years. 2 years.
And you were familiar with him while they were dating?
Yes.
Did you like him?
Yes.
Do you know why they broke up?
Well, it really wasn't a breakup. They always break up and get back together.
That's just kind of the nature of the relationship.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Kind of on again, off again.
Mm-hmm.
In October of 2023, were you living at the Avery Trace apartment?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Which apartment were you living in? Do you remember?
I'm not gonna even lie to you. I don't remember the apartment number, but I know I stayed in there for building 6. Apartment, I think apartment 201, building 6.
So and your window got shot that day, right? On October 3rd of 2023? Is that correct?
Yes.
At your apartment window?
Yes.
I'm just, for purposes of knowing which apartment. I'm sure you stated exhibit number 73. If this is your window, you would have been in building 6, is that right?
Yeah, that's what I said, building 6.
I'm just clarifying.
No problem.
How long had you lived there, do you think?
About 4 years.
Did you live alone or did you live with someone?
I lived with my husband.
Okay. Did you ever watch your grandchildren in that house or in that apartment?
Yes.
How often would you say that you watched your grandchildren?
Every day.
So they were over there frequently?
Yes, ma'am.
On October 3rd of 2023, was your daughter over at your apartment?
Yes.
Do you remember why she came over?
To see her mama.
To see who?
To see me.
Oh, okay. I was just clarifying.
Yeah.
I'm showing you state's exhibit number 33. Is this your daughter's car here?
Yes. Yes, that's her car.
Did she kind of always park in front of your apartment complex?
Yeah, she always did it, yes. I think it's a handicap. Or she always parked right there.
Yeah, it does seem to have the handicap sign, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
she always parked because her screws in her feet.
Did she have her kids with her that day?
Yes.
When she arrived, was it who all was there when she got there?
I'm not gonna even lie, they had a lot of people outside. When she came to me, she was with a friend of hers, so it was a couple of people coming with her, like she always had friends with her.
Okay. Was your son there?
Well, my son, he was in and out the door. Going, sit on the other side. He always would go sit on the other side of the apartments.
So
he'll go in and out.
was Christopher Keller there?
Talking to my son.
So they did know each other.
Hmm?
They knew each other, Christopher Keller and your son.
Yes.
Okay. How would you describe their relationship?
Good. good. He'll come in the morning and he'll talk. You know what I'm saying? You know, they didn't have no bad relationship.
At some point, did Christopher Keller and your son get in an argument that day?
No, they didn't get in an argument.
Okay.
No.
Did Christopher Keller shoot your son that day?
Yeah, I seen. Yeah, he shot him. When I dug down, I didn't see him shoot him. I heard my son scream. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't. You know, I was bent down by the car when they both was passing bullets.
Okay.
They both were shooting at each other.
Who started shooting first? Was it Christopher Keller or was it your son?
To be honest, yeah, my son.
You think your son started shooting first?
His gun got jammed.
So, okay. When did his gun get jammed?
When he pulled it out.
If your son testified that he didn't start shooting until after other bullets started getting shooting.
Yeah, the other bullets, I don't know about no other bullets. I know I just bent down. I heard bang, bang, bang. They both were shooting like the Wild Wild West. They both were shooting at each other.
So, I'm just saying, so if your son had testified that he did not pull out his weapon until someone started shooting at him, that would have been wrong?
Not actually, like I'm trying to explain to you, that to be honest, when the shooting started, I was bent down by the car, and you heard pow, 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 pow. So when my son came from around the corner, before this all happened, he was coming around the corner. They never passed words. They never said nothing. It was like the Wild Wild West. I heard bullets just shooting, just shooting.
But you are aware that your son got shot?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Do you remember where he got shot?
The inner thigh. It went through the inner thigh and thick by the bone.
So, if an officer had testified that he got shot in the butt and it went through his thigh.
I guess so.
Okay.
I guess so. Yes, ma'am.
But kind of somewhere in that bottom area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you State's Exhibit number 68. Do you know whose car this is right here?
It was a young lady named something started with K something.
Would have been Kayla Garlington. Would that sound about right?
I guess so. Yes, ma'am.
Do you know her at all?
No.
So, you won't know this, so I'll let you know. All of these yellow markers are bullets and bullet cartridges from the person who was standing on that side of the vehicle.
Okay.
Who do you think was standing on that side of the vehicle? Do you think that was Christopher Keller, or do you think it was your son?
No. That was Chris.
Chris.
Mm-hmm.
I'm showing you State's Exhibit number 24. We've heard testimony from the officers that the bullet casings that came from your son's gun was number 1, which is right here by this white car, and then number 2, which is on the other side of that white car. Would that sound about right to you?
Yes.
Okay. So you think, or do you know that when Christopher Keller started shooting, if your son ran or not?
No, when I got up, I was screaming and hollering. He was in the house on the floor when he got up, screaming. When I got up, because I was scared of what was going to interact with them, you know. So when I got to him, he was on the floor in the apartment.
And he was screaming and hollering?
I was screaming and hollering.
Okay.
Because at the time I was, drilling and pumping, you know what I'm saying? I was, well, kind of really, just, I was going through something at the time, so it was like the words and stuff was blurry, everything was blurry and everything like that. And then by me being on my medication, that's also had my adrenaline pumping up.
Your son, how was he reacting after he got shot?
He was like, Mom, I'm okay. I don't want to press charges. I don't, he was just calm.
So it didn't seem like he was in pain or anything?
No, he was just, I mean, he was like just laying there, not saying nothing. So he wasn't gonna say anything, not talking, and he didn't say anything.
And you're not aware of any of the things that he said to police, are you?
No.
But he got taken away by the ambulance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And he got taken to the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
And he had to have surgery?
I don't know about surgery. I don't, because I didn't ride to the hospital till late, and they was like, he can talk for himself, so we don't need to talk to you. So by the time we got there, he was in a room, stitched up, and didn't say anything.
How tall is your son?
6'7".
Very tall.
Yes.
How tall do you think Christopher Keller is?
6, he's about 5'9", 5'10".
Okay. So I'm going to show you safe exhibit number 77 on this big screen, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a surveillance video from the Valero across the street. If you need to come up, you can walk towards me and you can see it clear. If you can't see it from over there. But if this is your son here, this very tall human.
Mm-hmm.
This person seems about 6'7", 6'5", right?
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna object because she first didn't say that was her actual son. Maybe she can identify if that is her son. I object to leading in nature.
Sustain, rephrase your question.
Does the person in this video, this person, seem about 6'5", 6'7"?
Were you able to answer that?
Yeah.
Were you able to answer?
No, I can't really. I mean, he ain't a hood with a what? Man, I don't know. I don't know. He looked tall, but I don't remember my son having on no white hoodie.
But this would be your apartment complex over
Yeah,
here.
yes,
right?
ma'am. You're right about that. You're right about that.
And that would be your daughter's vehicle right here, right?
Yeah, the handicap.
Right. And then this would be Caleb Garlington's car right here, right?
Yeah.
So at the start of this, is this about how you remembered it? Your daughter's car was parked here in the handicap spot at your apartment?
Yes, ma'am.
And then Kayla's car drives up about here. Is that about how you remember it?
Yes, I remember what part it is.
And then Kayla's car drives a little bit up. Is that about what you remember?
Remember her car standing in one spot.
Like, this man stays here over by this car while another man runs that way, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you State's Exhibit 48. This is Kayla's car.
Mm-hmm.
And these are the 3 bullet holes on the top of her car that are kind of in a trajectory towards your daughter's car, right?
Yeah, I think I'm not done for minutes, but inside. It's
And then State's Exhibit number 32. This is your daughter's car, which had a bullet come in from this direction and then a bullet come into the back of her car, right?
that's showing pictures.
So that would be consistent with this video where the man on the side of this car shot this way towards that person running in this car, right? Your daughter's car.
I don't remember nobody running that way. To be honest, I'm not gonna sit in and out to the, on the, I don't remember nobody running that way.
Okay.
I remember somebody running straight.
Okay.
But I don't remember nobody running on the inside of the building. I remember somebody running in front of my apartment. I don't remember on the video right here showing the dude running this way. No, my son ran in front of the apartment.
So if they ran that way,
No, my front apartment. See which the girl coming?
Yeah.
Is that,
well,
what
then
is the
he
girl?
went that way, right? Up.
Yeah, but I don't remember. I'm just being honest. I remember him running straight forward. I don't remember him running going this way.
Okay. Well, let's just watch it again
Okay.
together, okay?
Which is what the movie. I remember him running to the side. I do remember when he ran straight in front of the apartment, like I told you, when he started shooting. I was bent down. You see that black car?
Over here?
Yeah, I was bent down. So when he ran, if he did run to that side, I'm not gonna say, oh yeah, I seen him ran to that side. I didn't see him. I seen the flash right, him running in front of my apartment, and that was he. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't see him running on the other side. I didn't see him. I'm not gonna sit up there and lie. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, but we'll watch all of it and we'll see where it goes, okay?
Okay.
Because goes that way. And then it comes back and goes up past the apartment. Up, right?
Like I said, I didn't see him running that way. When I got up from the car, I see him by the apartment, by the front of my apartment. I didn't see him running that way.
Okay. When you saw him, had the shooting stopped? When he was running by your apartment, had the shooting ended?
Yeah,
And no more shots after that.
no ma'am.
And this happened, what, like 2 years ago, right? It's 2025 now, and it was 2023 then.
Yeah, basically, I've been to my day. Cataract surgery, I done had got a couple of surgeries, so my mind is like, until they showed me the video this morning, and it looked like I was impaired on that. So it was a lot that I was going through.
Were you really terrified that your son had been shot?
I mean, I'd be terrified, but the only thing that I was asking him, is you okay? What I'm saying, and
And your apartment was shot too, right?
yeah, I had a hole in my window.
How do you feel about that?
Wasn't nothing I can do about it,
Do you want to hold the person accountable who shot your son and shot your window and endangered you and your daughter and your grandchildren?
Well, I paid to get the window fixed, and my son, I talked to him, and he was like, Mom, we were both shooting at each other, and he didn't want to go through anything, or I can't make him do anything that he don't want to do, so I mean, it should have never really happened.
And to your knowledge, it was Christopher Keller that shot your son.
To my knowledge, it was, but I didn't actually see him point the gun to him. But they was both shooting at each other.
I have no further questions of this witness, Your Honor.
You want to keep it up?
Yeah.
Just before they walked to the car.
Yeah, well, that's a lot harder than you think. So I need you to.
Good afternoon, Mr. Guy. Yeah, is that before the shooting?
Yes.
That's it.
Okay.
Right there, we'll start in a minute. Ms. Guidry, you don't even recognize your son on that video because you don't even know that he was wearing white that day, do you?
Right, yes, sir.
You don't even think he was wearing white.
Honestly, to be truthful, no.
Right? And you don't believe your son ran down that side of the road or going from here all the way down here, but kind of went around over in here.
Like I
You
was.
thought, no?
Oh, you want to talk now?
When the state first started asking you questions,
Mm-hmm.
you said there was no argument. You didn't see any argument between the two people,
No, they never argued.
and that there was not a bad relationship, or there shouldn't have been any bad blood.
No, they never had bad blood.
But you made the statement that he shot first, but his gun jammed. Remember making that statement? That was your son.
Yes.
Play the video, please. I want you to take a look. See the gentleman in the black right here?
Yes.
Yeah. And whoever that is in the white, looks like they're having words. Looks like they pushed each other, right? And the car pulls up. Looks like the man in the back, doesn't he look like he's trying to get away from him and going backwards? And the guy in the white's coming towards him and now is backed up, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Right, turn it off, hold on. You see him coming close?
Mm-hmm.
Now he's up at the front, whoever that is, and whoever that person is. Go frame by frame, please, if you could.
My favorite space.
Frontwards, yep. See him around the front? See? Stop. Go back. Can you go back a little bit? Right. Okay, go ahead. Go slow it. See him right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead. If you just go slow. There you go. Whoever it was, still having words. Oh, you see his arm come up? Keep going. Keep going. Stop. He's bending, ducking from something, isn't he?
From the video, yes.
And you never saw him raise a gun at all. But something made him duck behind that car. You think that's when he might have saw someone pull out a gun at him and it jammed?
Most likely, yes. Ooh, don't do it.
Yeah, well, I didn't make my color. You see? What would you have done if you were standing up? You would have ducked, wouldn't you?
Yes.
Because you just didn't know. Doesn't it look like he was trying to protect himself right there, whoever it was, ducking from something? Would you agree with me?
I agree with you on that.
He was hiding from something. But you don't remember anybody running this way.
No,
Was it because when he ducked, you ducked?
I just.
You think that's about the time?
Yeah, I just, yeah,
Yeah.
I think that.
You knew there was going to be a shootout at the OK Corral, didn't you?
What's okay, correct? Oh, yeah, Avery Trace, you mean?
Okay. It's an old Western show.
That's
Shootout.
what it is.
Cowboys. There, that's, well,
I'm still young. That's all.
did you know your son carried a gun?
Yes,
Why would he have to carry a gun?
because when he went to college in Austin, it was a high crime rate out there. He wasn't used to that. It's more crime out there.
So he carried a gun.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know who picked up the gun by your apartment that afternoon?
No, no, the officer came and asked me, to be honest, no. No, sir.
You didn't go out there and pick it up,
No, I don't touch no gun.
and you didn't instruct anybody to go out there and pick it up, did you?
No, no, sir.
You and I have never talked before, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I mean, like you didn't come to my office before this trial and talk or anything like that. But you've been up to the DA's office, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes? You got to say because.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you talked prior to today and today, correct?
Yes.
And went over your testimony, the questions they were going to ask you, right?
No.
Or they didn't go over what you were going to say?
No.
Okay. And you don't remember your son even wearing white, do you?
Yeah, to be honest, like I said, I never
saw.
done that.
But based on what you see today,
Mm-hmm.
that man right there is ducking from something. Agreed?
Agree.
Pass the witness. Thank you, ma'am.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Your excuse. Next.
May I approach, Your Honor?
What's next?
May I approach, Your Honor?
That means, I guess you want to come up here? Come on up. Yeah.
the evening. I think the state has one more witness,
Yes, Your Honor.
and we're gonna have to pick that one up in the morning at 9:30. And please remember the instructions the court has given, please, and we'll see you back at 9:30 in the morning. Thank you. Everyone else remains seated while the jury exits first.